What's up, everybody? Saturday morning, headed out to the Northwest OHV Park in Bridgeport, Texas, in the Gladiator. Yeah, long story, I got a Gladiator. If you haven't seen on social media, got a blue 21 Rubicon. Pretty excited. After coming out here 2 weeks ago with the Subaru, it was not as much fun as I had in my 4Runner, and I wanted to have more fun, so went and got a Jeep. You can't see behind me because of the beautiful sunrise. My dad is following me. He's got a Gladiator also. He's got a Sport, but he is lifted on 37s, so it's going to be fun. We're meeting another buddy of mine from work, Carlos. He has got a Rubicon Gladiator, pretty much same equipped as mine. That nice Sting-grey color. So, yeah, we got about 30 minutes left. It's only about an hour from the house, so we're going to have some fun today and hopefully not break anything. Easy, easy. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. What's up, guys? So editing the video, it's kind of dawned on me. I actually learned a lot of stuff today about learning the truck. Me and Carlos both haven't done a whole lot of off-road stuff. He took his to Colorado a couple weeks ago, but this is kind of the first time he's got to try out the lockers and the sway bar disconnect and all that stuff. And my dad's had his a little bit longer, but he hasn't done a whole lot of hardcore off-roading, and it was a pretty good experience. We all kind of learned a lot about the trucks, and learned a lot more about kind of spotting and guiding people. Carlos is really good at guiding, I found out, and yeah, that's good to know. Have a wheeling partner that you can trust, and not such a great drone pilot. He's working on it though. He was trying to drive and use the drone at the same time, so obviously that's a challenge when you're bouncing around off-road and you're trying to do two things at once. But pretty cool. I'm excited about this day. It was fun hanging out with the guys and doing stuff, and just learning what the rig's capable of. And as for me and Carlos, we're both kind of thinking, what's the next mod? What are we going to do? I think bigger tires are obviously the option. He's looking at lifts. I may not lift it. I may go with 35s. 35s you can fit on the stock Rubicon without any modifications, and see where that gets me, because I'm not going to do a whole lot of hardcore stuff like this all the time. Stuff I want to do is, you know, going to my land. It's not, I mean, I'll be fine stock doing that, pulling my camper and things like that, but I want to go to Colorado. I want to see some of the Alpine Loop and do some of that stuff, and just a little more ground clearance, a little more rubber. So I've got some research to do, but all in all, it was a really good day. I had a lot of fun. That's the most fun I've had out there at the off-road park. I've been 4 times in the last couple of years. I took the 4Runner a couple of years ago, or last year, right after COVID. And yeah, it was fun, but I don't know. I was too paranoid about that. And I took the Subaru out, and I just didn't have that much fun because I'm super paranoid. It was a car. You know, it really had more ground clearance than this Rubicon, but you don't have a real lockers, real transfer case. It's not the same. So that's ultimately what led to me getting this Jeep and making the change. I'm going to be stuck with this car for a while, so that's why I went ahead and made a choice to get everything I wanted all at once. And yeah, there's facing getting fired at work and all this stuff over the vaccines and all that crap. So I'm going to have this vehicle for a while, and I'm pretty confident in it. I think I've got a lot of room to learn, but this was a really good experience. Learned a lot about filming and trying to do all this stuff as well. I left things at home I needed and brought things I didn't. And yeah, I used this old GoPro, the old Sessions 2, whatever the little bitty one is, and the video quality is just horrendous compared to the phone. You can tell the difference in a lot of the shots, so definitely may make some changes with that on the next time. I've got the 7, I think it's the 7, yeah, 7 black, and it's not that great either. The phone makes the best videos, unfortunately, so we'll take that into consideration. I left my little tripod at home for my phone, so a lot of the shots are unstable, but it's all a learning curve, and it was just a good fun day. We got out there at 8 when they opened, and we left around 11:45, noon. So good times. Yeah, hope y'all enjoy these kind of videos. I know it's not RC content. I was going to bring an RC truck, but out there I didn't know how crazy it was going to be on Saturday, and there was a lot of people out there, but it really didn't get crowded. You saw there at the end, we filmed some of the other Jeep groups and things, what they were doing, so it was neat. But appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate y'all sticking with the channel through these trying times. We're not really doing what the channel's about, but it's all about having fun, doing what you can with what you got. And right now, while we're half packed and half moving and half unemployed, going out to the off-road park on a Saturday with some friends and family, that's what we can do. So I will see y'all in the next one. Keep it scale, whatever scale that is.